Fidget Spinner! Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of fidget spinners. And we're going to be using our fidget spinner. Oh wow, 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 wow. I don't know if you can see my actual fidget spinner.
Look at my fidget spinner. Look at it. Look how slow it is going.
It goes really slow.
Look, Frank, yours looks like it's got...
Alright guys, we're going to be using our fidget spinners today. So
And it's really glitchy.
It looks so slow, but they're actually going we're going to try and make our fidget spinners go at 100 RPM.
Yeah.
Frank,
Let's get into it.
Go. Hi guys, we've got fidget spinners again, and we're going to be using them like cool things, but it looks so slow on the camera, like it's in slow
think you
motion.
can see it fast, I'm not sure.
Now if we speed it up beside the camera, look, that's my fidget spinner going. I've got the newest fidget spinner, guys. It's got
my
blades on it. Never put
my fidget spinner.
Never put razor blades on fidget spinners and then take them into school because you could get arrested. And please comment and subscribe for these videos that I'm getting done.
Okay.
Let's
get into it.
No,
Okay guys, we both got our fidget spinners here.
And we're going to do a race to see which one stays for
I
the
think
longest.
that's going to win, and then we swap. And then we swap. 3, 2, 1, 3, and go! I hope.
Yours look so slow, but they're actually going so fast, guys.
Yeah, they're going so fast.
Frank, they look like they've got a million sides. But they're actually only
Don't touch
3.
the screen. Oh wow, that's amazing.
I've got the newest fidget spinner.
Okay, Alistair's 1.
I can't see for the fidget
I have one.
spinner. Hi, guys.
So yeah, anyway, Alistair's 1. Please comment, subscribe, and try and get 4 on subscribers. Blah 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 blah. Ha, target. Okay. Hara, can we please have your fidget spinner? Okay, so I've got a different fidget spinner now.
Messi.
And Alistair's got the same fidget spinner. Let's see who wins after 3, 2, 1,
Not in the video.
Alright guys, this is coolest fidget spinner war, and this one's still going. He's just had to use his hand again to make it go.
So almost stopped.
And it looks like they're going 100.
Oh, mine almost stopped.
These are going 100 miles an hour, guys. So you can see that it's going past.
Now you can.
So we've got the fidget spinners. We're going to go close up to the camera, as close as we can. Now, guys, we're going to make a pattern. So can I borrow that for a second?
Okay, guys. We're trying to do double fidget spinner. Okay, 3.
Can I just get a shot on that big one? Right, my own shot on that.
Oh,
Yes.
la la la.
Okay.
Da da.
Let me get
Show ya.
Let's try to do.
I got a scooter in
do this.
Fidget.
Okay, guys. I need to get to this and then exit it. It's just
Guys.
a message.
You're a fidget spinner boy.
Fidget spinner. Fidget
Spinner.
Fidget
Spinner.
Okay, so guys, see you at the video. Everybody, see you later. Bye!